On today's show, we're going to take a look at creating a nice, quick, simple, and easy but delicious dish. A little something I call shrimp marsala. We're going to serve that over some fettuccine noodles. Hey, welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. We got everything we need right here. So let's go ahead and get started on our shrimp marsala right now. Go ahead and get started on our shrimp masala. We're going to come in here with a little butter. Got about a tablespoon of butter. We're going to drop that in there. We've got a nice warm pan right here, just like this. Then we're going to come in here with our garlic. Forgot what I was doing. I thought I had it in a little bowl. Don't. 1 clove, microplaned, just like so. Oh man, get that all nice and mixed in there like that. Make some noise. And we're going to come in here and we're going to grab a handful of chopped mushrooms. I guess that might be close to a cup of mushrooms. These are little baby portobellos. Chopped them up. All right, now I'm going to come in here. We got a little bit of salt, a little pepper, and some oregano. We're just gonna, that's good right there. You're kind of a nice little pinch of each of those three. I'm going to come in here with about a tablespoon of flour, just like so. What the heck? Tablespoon and a half. There we are, just like that. Come in here, and that's what this is gonna do is give us a nice little thick sauce. And just like that, we'll add ourselves, I don't know, maybe 1/3 of a cup or so of Marsala wine, just like that. Oh man, there we go. We're starting to thicken up right in there. Now we're going to come in here with our shrimp, and I got about a dozen of the small shrimp. These are those are the 70 to 90 count. So what that means is it takes about 70 to 90 of those to make ourselves a pound of shrimp. They're almost like little creek shrimp, bait shrimp. Man, they're good. All right, I tell you, let's come in here with about 1/3 of a cup of chicken broth, just like that. Add it, and then that's going to create and finish off our sauce. Oh wow, just like that, about 6 minutes, 6.5, 7 minutes. Boom, shrimp marsala sitting right here. That is our finished portion, our topping. We got some fettuccine pasta right here. Now we're just gonna come in and top that just like so. Try to get all those mushrooms, and I'll make it, you know what? Kind of warm. So, boom, just like that. Grab me a towel. Yes, sirree. Come in here, clean this up just a tad. Oh my. Oh my. That smells delicious and looks delicious too. Come in here, got a little bit of chopped parsley, fresh chopped parsley, just like so. Come in, add a little color, a little bit of flavor. I don't know what we can do with this thing. Maybe, I don't know, how's this? Boom. Something like that. Ah, man, who knows? Perfect right there. There it is right there. That is our shrimp marsala served over some fettuccine noodles. There we go, right there. That is our shrimp marsala. We got it served over some fettuccine pasta. Simple, quick, easy, and yes, delicious. If you like the recipe, check out the description down below. And speaking of pasta, check that out. We make our own pasta, our own fettuccine pasta, simple, quick, and easy. And then where are we? Right there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. It all does help. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see y'all soon.